Hello, ladies and gentlemen, all in between. Welcome back to Slime Rancher. Last time we got some more slimes. Decided, hey, we're gonna get a jetpack to explore that area in the new area. So, let us do just that. There's one thing I think I want, though. That would be a water tank. So now we can collect water that we pick up and give it to our water slimes. And also to get rid of tars easily. Well, more easily. Let's actually get everything. We'll get a heart module, dash boots, whatever this means. And more storage space. Okay. Okay, so now we can begin our trek. What is that? Treasure? No, not treasure, but... Oh, this was much easier. I wish I noticed this. Well, it is kind of hidden. I think it's meant to be hidden. Hop, boop, hip, boop, hit. Nope, okay. Didn't realize I almost ran out of energy. Oh, the music got different. What's going on? Ooh, cube berries. Could always use more of those. What is that? What's going on? Are those bones? I think those are bones. Yep. Alright. Well, this is they're chickens. I don't trust this. It said that there was danger. Let's see if we can make it to the higher path and hope they like fruit. Hello, chickens. You're mine. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get that tabby Gordo to love us. I'm actually curious to what's here. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you. I'll just move along. Now, what's here? This path just keeps going on and on. Let's just try not to drown, I guess. The path ends here, and there's a treasure pod. How do I unlock the treasure pods? I need to know. Hens. Are there tars nearby? Don't think so. Are you happy now? Oh yeah, you're happy. Oh, you're part tabby. I understand. Okay. This is good. Okay now. Okay. Help. So other than that, this area really isn't that special. Okay. Hi. How do I get out of here? Oh, so without a jetpack back in this area, you're pretty much screwed. Well, you need a jetpack, you need even to get here in the first place, so I'm fine. Alright. I'll be right back as I make my way back home. Hi, pink slime. doing all the way out here? Here, have a token of friendship. Yeah! You know, I think I finally figured out what this teleporter does. That Gordo in the Indigo Quarry, he is on a teleporter. So once we get that, riches. Actually, let's put more cube berries in here. And deposit these roosters, chickadoos, and hen-hens. I'm slowly becoming less bigoted on that. Actually, just chickadoos. Because let's go feed that tabby Gordo. Rooster, stony hen, hen. Breed for me. What's this? 8 tabbies, 1 magma port. I have an excuse to get rid of you now. I'll feed you. You're all I want. You're all I'll ever need. Now I'm gonna go look up what magma port's like. Boom slimes. Sorry. They like meat. So this actually works out. I need 1. So let's do that. Anyways, I'll be back. I'll let you know when I have what I need. Hey Boom Slime. I know you're unhappy, but do you want to go boom some more? Eat this! Thank you! Okay, so we've gotten what we need. So now we just have to make our way to the tabby slime. I also should remind myself to keep an eye out for water spouts. And there's one up there, but that's not in my general path. So I could care less. I saved you, hen. That was a very close call for you. You could have died. But I saved you. Hello, Gordo. Hello. Eat it. Eat it. Jesus Christ. We need more. Ooh. How do I unlock treasure pods? I want to know. Treasure pod. Those are little. I think I only just realized. It's literally just drop pods sent from orbit. It's like, why not tell me about them? Actually, they probably did in an email. Gonna check that. Wow. We have so many. This is a nightmare. So, I'm gonna end the episode here, but I'm gonna put it in a snippet of me completely feeding that Gordo, because we're about to do it. But first, let's put in these pink ports. And no, I didn't make it. No! You've gotta be kidding me! And my game still wants to go backwards! Well, at least it's about to burst.